All right, guys, check out this waypoint mission we just did with the quadcopter. We started over here. It went up to an elevation of 100 feet. It kind of trailed over the street and off to the sides of the path to, be on the safe side, not necessarily over people's heads, and we didn't have to be. This whole course is a little under a mile. Definitely its furthest trip yet, especially its furthest away from home. Yeah, it circles back around. It comes back around over the tennis courts and then back home and then lands. I'm going to be trailing behind it on my motorcycle. I'm going to be having no input on the transmitter, and the video is going to follow here shortly. All right, so the drone is going to proceed up to about 100 feet. I'm trying to make it trail mostly over the roads or off to the side, to the sidewalk, trying to prevent, as much time spent over people. This is still in the testing phase, so I'm a bit worried at times on whether it's just going to plummet out of the sky. So far, so good. I'm just under it right there on the ground, following my motorcycle. I have a transmitter strapped to my tank, as well as an FPV screen on my handlebars. But I'm still trying to keep a visual line of sight this entire time. For those of you who are wondering, I did get the drone registered with the FAA through their drone zone, as well as I downloaded the Before You Fly app. It's really useful, and I encourage all of you guys to check it out so we can all fly safely out here. As I said again, this is low enough where I'm under any potential of interaction with like the other aircraft in the sky. I'm very low, about 100 feet. All right, pretty soon it's gonna make a right-hand turn over these houses and kind of circle back over that road. Got some construction workers, some landscape workers down there, I see. Got the trees. I was a bit worried about that lift right there. I knew it was there, but it didn't pose a problem. It was much lower than me. You're gonna see me pop up on the right side of the screen, the right bottom side here pretty soon. At this point I gained a little trust, that's why I pulled ahead of it, but I'm still peeking up occasionally and keeping a visual line of sight. Over the grassy field here, over the tennis courts, and then go home. I decided to get a little riskier with this portion of the flight. This is the furthest it's going to pull away from me during the flight. I'm going to go around, and it's going to go kind of straight towards the house and land. It's pretty loud. I'm wondering if any of those people heard it. This is Gilbert, Arizona, by the way. Alright, so overall, I think this was a success for this waypoint mission. I'm going to bring this guy back in and kind of just feel the motors, feel the ESCs, check it out, see if there are any damages, anything can come loose during the flight. I'm really excited to post more content about this quadcopter and many other builds coming up. I have planes, quadcopters, a few different things I'm working on, a rover. And I got a lot more coming for you guys. Subscribe for more content.